Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope everybody is doing good. I am your geo teacher and this is your geo book. In class 5th, you people studied geo book 5 and in class 6th, you will study geo book 6. This book is written by Mr. Muhammad Asad Sethi. I am your geo teacher. First of all, we will discuss what is meant by geo. Geo means earth. And in this book, in this subject, we study about the different places of the world, different countries, their capitals, their religion, their currencies, their famous landmarks, and so on. The topic which we are going to discuss today is Introduction to the World Map. Today we will discuss that how many continents and oceans are there in the world, where are they located, in which directions they are located, which you have already done in your previous class. Okay, I will ask some questions during the lecture. I know that you will be unable to give me the answer, but you should have a rough copy with you and you will just note down the answer in your rough copy. In previous classes, you have already studied that what is a map. Map is a drawing of the earth. And there are so many kinds like a political map, physical map, relief map, which tell you different things about the different places. The map which we are going to discuss today is the political map of the world. To read the map, we need some directions. There are 4 compass directions which help us to study map. To the right side, there is east, and opposite to east, there is west. It's north and this is south. First, we will discuss continents. What are continents? Continents are actually the land masses, the large land masses. The large land masses are called continents. We will start from the largest one. The first largest continent of the world is continent Asia. This is also the largest populous continent of the world. The second largest continent of the world is continent Africa. The third is North America. Fourth one is South America. Remember, I am telling about the continents in their according to their size. We will start from the largest one: Asia, Africa, North America, South America. The fifth one is Antarctica. The sixth one is Europe, and the smallest one is the seventh continent, continent Australia, which is also known as continent Oceania. Understand? Repeat it with me. We will start from the largest one. The largest one is continent Asia. The second largest is continent Africa. Third one is continent North America. Fourth, South America. Fifth, continent Antarctica. Sixth one is continent Europe. Continent Australia is the smallest continent of the world. If somebody asks you which is the smallest continent of the world, so what will be your answer? Continent Australia. Which is the second smallest continent of the world? It's Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent of the world. That's all. Dear students, this is the political world map, and as you know that we have discussed the 7 continents of the world according to their size. We will start from the largest one on the continent with the help of directions. So which direction is this? This is east, this is west, north and south. Understand? So, where is continent Asia located? Asia is located in the northeast. So, this will be the location of continent Asia. Understand? The second largest continent of the world was continent Africa. So, where is continent Africa located? Continent Africa is located here. This is continent Africa in the shape of 7. It is in the shape of 7. Understand? Okay. The third continent of the largest continent of the world is North America. This is North America. The fourth largest continent of the world is South America, which is in the south of North America. The fifth largest continent of the world is Antarctica, which is located in the south of the earth. Okay, the sixth largest continent of the world, or the second smallest continent of the world, is located in the west of continent Asia, which is continent Europe. I hope that you understand. The first largest continent of the world is continent Asia. The second largest continent of the world is Africa. The third largest continent of the world is North America. The fourth largest continent of the world is South America. The fifth largest continent of the world is Antarctica. Europe is the second smallest continent of the world, and the seventh continent, yani ki the smallest continent of the world, is continent Australia, which is also known as Oceania. This is the seventh continent of the world, or we can say the smallest continent of the world. It's according to their size. I think it will be very helpful to you. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Understand? Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Now we will move to the oceans of the world. Okay, now what are oceans? Oceans are the large bodies of water. What are oceans? Oceans are the large bodies of water. There are total 5 oceans in the world according to their size. We will start from the largest one. Remember, according to their size, we are starting from the largest one. The largest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. The second largest ocean of the world is the Atlantic Ocean. Third one is the Indian Ocean. The fourth one is Southern Ocean, and the fifth one, which means it is the smallest ocean of the world, smallest one, is the Arctic Ocean. Now we will locate these 5 oceans on our world map with the help of directions. Okay, again we are having a world map. You can see that we have located the 7 continents on the world map. Now we will locate the 5 oceans of the world, starting with the largest Pacific Ocean of the world, which is located in the east. Pacific Ocean is located in the east, as well as it is located in the west. Why is it so? Because the earth is not flat. It is sphere in shape. When you will fold this map, so both these sides will join together and this will become only single Pacific Ocean. Understand? So if you locate Pacific Ocean towards the east side, that is okay. If you locate it towards the west side, that is also okay. We have already told you in your previous class. The second largest ocean of the world is the Atlantic Ocean, which is located in the middle of continent North and South America and Africa and Europe. This is Atlantic Ocean. Complete area, this is Atlantic Ocean. This part is the Northern Atlantic Ocean and this part is the Southern Atlantic Ocean. Understand? If you locate it here, that is also okay. If you locate it anywhere in this space, that will be correct. The third largest ocean of the world is the Indian Ocean, which is right in the south of continent Asia. This is continent Asia, and the Indian Ocean is located here below the continent Asia. The fourth largest ocean of the world is Southern Ocean, which is located in the south near the borders of continent Antarctica. The smallest ocean of the world is the Arctic Ocean, which is right in the north of the world map, and it is the smallest ocean of the world. I hope that you people understand. Once again we will revise it. The first one is the Pacific Ocean, the second one is the Atlantic Ocean, the third one is the Indian Ocean, the fourth one is Southern Ocean, and the smallest one is the Arctic Ocean. I hope that you people understand that how many continents and how many oceans are there in the world map, and in which locations they are situated. We will discuss our next topic in our next video class. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.